So the first thing I need to do is to open a template. Once the existing template is open, I can actually change several information in the general page, such as the username, the company name, the date, things that will appear in the different headers of the report. Then I can go into the business case configurator, where I can select the benefits by solution. Like in this case, I can select different elements or components of the solution. I can see also the benefits that are in each component at one at a time, or I can see the benefits and the cost as well. So once I select the solutions, I click OK, and then I click Apply, so that the changes that I have done apply to the model. I can also see each benefit and the assumption and the formula used for each benefit. I can sort the benefits either by value or one by one. I can scroll them up or down, as I'm showing in this example. I can do the same for the cost. I can select the cost one by one. I can change the depreciation if I want, or this amortization as well. And then once I select the benefit and the cost, I can go and determine what are the values that need to be changed in the required assumptions. This is information I can also send to the client in Excel, so the client can actually provide me these values in Excel. So what I'm going to do here is going to accept these that I manually change. Is actually accepting the changes in the assumption values, and refreshes the screen. I can also change the number of years, for example, or some of the financial data if I want. Like the number of years, I can change it to 3 or 2 or 4 or 6. The number of years that I can see in the cash flow. I can then go into the analysis and see the worst case, most likely, best case values, and see what the impact is going to be for this particular case for this customer. Then I go into the reports, and there are different options I can do. One of them first is I can generate the list of assumptions in Excel, which I can send to a customer, and the customer can change any values and send me back the values of the assumptions, so that I can configure the business case based on the values that they want to consider, their actual company values. So once the customer sends back, I can import that file, and I don't have to re-enter the data manually. I can also do other things. For example, look at the graphs, change the background of the graphs and colors, headers, etc. Add or delete indicators, for example, and there are different options. Then I can go into the report and select the sections of the report that I want to include in this case is the Microsoft Word report. I can do the same for PowerPoint, but in this example is showing the Word report. Once I select the section of the business case that I want to include, then I click print, and that information is sent to Microsoft Word, and that information can be then edited in Word once the report is generated. The report generation takes just a few minutes, as you can see in this example, and the information that is in the report includes different set of different type of reports, such as the economic value analysis, the assets, the list of the benefits, by worst case, most likely, best case, the cost information, an abstract of each benefit. I can also see the graph of cost versus benefits in worst case, most likely, best case scenarios. I can also see the financial indicators, such as the ROI, net present value, and the different financial impacts that this will have for the client. As I said before, this can be also generated in PowerPoint, in different sections of PowerPoint can be created. And there are other changes I can do as well, such as select templates with my company logo and background, so that the report in Word or PowerPoint has exactly the appearance that I want. And that's it. Once I've done that, my business case is generated in PowerPoint or Word, and is ready to be presented to the client. It just took a few minutes to generate a business case.